How to add a payment method on Facebook ad account. What's up everyone, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily add a payment method on your Facebook's ad account. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up facebook.com, and from here you want to make sure that you are selected on the right page and click on manage page. From here you want to head over to Meta Business Suite, or you can directly type in business.facebook.com and make sure that the correct business asset is selected right now. Alright, so once you do that, you want to click on all tools, and on the manage section you will see billing and payment. Just click on it. It will take a while to load, and once it's fully loaded, what you want to do is find your ID right here, and on the left side of your screen just click on payment settings. As you can see here, you have something called payment methods and also an option to add a payment method. Click right here. You want to select your country, region, your currency, your time zone, and then click on next. And once you do that, you can add debit or credit card or PayPal. And once you do that, after entering all of your card details, you can click on next and click on save. And this will add up your payment method right here on your ad account. And once you click on it, you will see a separate ad account right here. That's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.